I want you to imagine billions of dollars floating around free for the taking, and your once modest nest egg is growing by leaps and bounds. More and more cash gets pumped in every week, week after week, regardless of market conditions, and the money keeps piling up. So you start making regular withdrawals to spend on luxuries you never thought you could afford. You can easily cash checks for thousands of dollars, perhaps even tens of thousands of dollars at a time, over and over again, and still your account continues to grow. Talk about a dream come true. Now let me show you the honest way to make a dream come true for you. My name is Don Fishback, and if you trade options, or if you're even considering it, then this video contains the best news you're ever going to receive, and here's why. Every day, on average, 4,303,814 options change hands at the Chicago Board Options Exchange. We're talking millions of dollars every second the market is open. For reasons I'll explain in a minute, options are by far the most important and predictable wealth building tool on the planet. In this video, you're going to discover the secret to making it possible you can become a wealthy winner an incredible 9 times out of 10. You'll also learn how you can potentially grow $10,000 to $935,908. And best of all, you'll learn how it is truly achievable for you to begin receiving non-stop honest option paychecks for the rest of your life. Pretty exciting, huh? And you can do everything yourself in less than 20 minutes without buying or subscribing to a single thing. I'm going to give you everything you need to start immediately for free. You don't have to do it yourself if you don't want to, because towards the end of this short video, I'll tell you about an automatic alternative that takes no time or expertise at all. But right now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do everything yourself in 20 minutes, and how it's possible to quickly turn even the smallest nest egg into non-stop honest options paychecks and a carefree retirement. So what exactly is an honest option paycheck, you ask? Well, honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, is an acronym you'll come to understand in a minute. And of course, a paycheck is a payment you receive at regular intervals. You can count on it, you deserve it, you can spend it any way you want. And in this case, depending on your account, it could even be tax-free. And options, they're the incredibly powerful instrument that makes it possible for you to collect non-stop honest option paychecks. Now, if you've never traded options before, let me tell you the 5 biggest reasons why options are the #1 choice for savvy investors everywhere. To begin with, trading options is super simple to do. It's just like trading stocks, and you can do it in almost any account, including IRAs. And it takes very little money to earn tremendous profits, because each option holds the earning power of 100 shares of stock. Now, options also provide the flexibility to make loads of money no matter which way the market goes, up, down, or sideways, which has never been more important. And get this, in a single click, you can sell options you don't even own and have the proceeds deposited directly into your account. It feels like getting money for nothing. But best of all, you can create once-a-week trades with strictly limited risk and even earn a consistent, predictable income forever, almost like a paycheck, annuity, or a pension.
I'm retired, and I decided I wanted to make $15,000 a month. That sounded like a nice round number that would be achievable, and if I met my goal, I'd be thrilled. It's been 6 months now, and in those 6 months I had 1 month when I made slightly less than $15,000, which was okay because I was still making money. And I had 5 months where I exceeded my goal of making $15,000 a month. In 6 months, I've made a total of $175,000 from the methods Don taught me.
And Earl's not the only one. An Orlando sales manager hit 100% winners for over $200,000 profit in 14 months. A man from Virginia $1,620 income every week was his average, trading barely $4,000. And a New York corporate manager who got downsized out of his job made more money than ever, $378,625. Thousands of men and women from all walks of life have used the information that I'm about to share with you to turn it into a carefree lifestyle. And you can absolutely do it too. Honest. Now, honest, it stands for high odds, new earnings, safer trading. Prepare to be amazed as I explain each of these wealth-building benefits. I promise what you're about to see is unlike anything you've ever seen before. We're going to start at the top with high odds. In this illustration, if an equity's price remains unchanged, the center column is incremented. If the price goes down, a column to the left is incremented, depending on how much the price drops. And if the price goes up, a column to the right is incremented. The formula used to determine the price of all options assumes that the price fluctuations will conform to a perfect bell curve. But look at this proprietary odds graph of an actual stock. Here's the bell curve, and as you can see, the columns in the middle, which count the number of small price moves, are seriously lacking, while the columns that account for the big moves due to news, earnings reports, and what have you are spilling out all over the place. And look at this big fat tail. Nearly 1% of all daily price moves are completely off the charts. And all this spillage produces enormous windfall profits on a regular basis. Now, look at this odds graph of the S&P 500. See how it's totally opposite from the stock graph, with actual counts busting out at the top because a diversified index generally makes smaller moves, and they almost never go to extremes. So, as you'll soon learn, here's where you'll harvest easy income from the S&P. Now, don't get nervous. These graphs are for illustration purposes only. You will not be using them to trade, I promise. I just wanted to show you what a big difference there is between the way a broad-based index moves and the way individual stocks move. You see, most traders assume the same pricing model for all options regardless. But that's exactly where we get our massive odds advantage, which you can read about more in my bio. The key is, if you use an accurate odds measurement, which I'll show you how you can easily get, and everybody else relies on a model that's seriously flawed, your odds of winning are bound to skyrocket. And that's exactly what happens. Honest, we get high odds from selling overpriced options with a 90% probability of hitting maximum gains. New earnings comes from weekly options that give us a fresh selling opportunity every Friday. And safer trading is achieved by combining odds windfall profits with odds weekly income. Let me explain. As I said earlier, with options, you can earn exciting, non-stop profits no matter which way the market goes, up, down, or sideways. But it takes two entirely different approaches to do it. Subscribers to Honest Option Paycheck receive trade alerts that seamlessly interweave odds weekly income with odds windfall profits for the incredible potential of soaring non-stop profits you won't find anywhere else. Soaring profits that could become astronomical when compounded, and from which you could draw honest option paychecks for the rest of your life. Now, right now, Honest Options Paychecks is closed to new members, but a brief enrollment period is coming soon, so if you act fast, when the notice hits your inbox, you'll get a chance to receive automatic Honest Option Paychecks. In the meantime, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. In the next video, we're going to delve into odds windfall profits, and I'll show you how you can invest as little $70, and earn windfall profits of 2, 3, 400% in a matter of weeks, regardless of which way the market goes, up or down. It doesn't matter one bit. You stand to make windfall profits either way. Then, in the video after that, I'm going to teach you all about odds weekly income. It's the most reliable, consistent path to regular income to ever hit the trading world. And we'll be bringing it all together in a powerful, honest action plan, one that you can download and follow immediately without buying a thing, and start generating your own life-changing, honest option paychecks. This is the scientific way ordinary people turn a small amount of money into a lavish, carefree retirement. It's my gift to you. So please, make sure you take full advantage. You can start by scrolling down and leaving a comment. I'd really like to know how this training fits into your life and your plans for the future. I'll personally read each one and I'll reply to as many as I can. Now below this video you'll also find a link to my bio in case you want to know more about my background and learn how I developed the odds approach to putting the probability of winning on your side. Then be sure to download your free ebook. It'll show you an easy way to trade options so at least 80% of your trades are profitable, and it lays the groundwork for more advanced strategies you'll learn in the training videos. And most important, watch your inbox for a notice that the next video is posted. Discover how easy it can be to earn windfall profits no matter which way the market goes. So thank you for watching this first training video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in video 2.
Don't miss your opportunity to win big with Don Fishback today. Click the link below indicated by the arrows.